आज भी हैं पकड़े ये उम्मीद की डोरी। डोंट लूज होप इज द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी। जिसने सीखा इनसे लाइफ में कभी भी ना झुकना, हॉट सीट पे मिलेगा भैया उम्मीद से दुगना।
No one can forget the hysteria KBC Season 1 and 2 had created. Monday to Thursday, 9 p.m. slot was dedicated to KBC on almost every television. Movie halls declared a slump in the earnings of the 9 p.m. show. Yes, now the magic is back and so is the show with a bang. It's with a new broadcaster and what more, the KBC champ Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is back again. Well, changes are inevitable and so the audiences are expecting to see some changes as KBC steps into its season 4.
I would like to see that there are few more different formats, as in just there's not the same 3 lifelines and something like that. Something better, something fun, more fun.
ये बिल्कुल सही था। ओह तरुण, बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको और हमारे साथ खेलने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Big hand once again, तरुण बख्शी।
Well, a decade ago, the winning amount was just ₹1 crore, and well, let's see whether it changes or we blame the recession for that.
अमिताभ इज ओके, वो ठीक है। अमिताभ को लोग देखना चाहते हैं, बार बार देखना चाहते हैं, और लेकिन अभी वो सेम करोड़पति के उसमें आता है, लेकिन 1 करोड़ कुछ नहीं है आज की डेट पे।
विमेन कंटेस्टेंट्स मुझसे प्रभावित होती हैं या मैं उनसे प्रभावित होता हूँ?
Our viewers certainly have some interesting observation and options too.
We would like to see Amitabh Bachchan without the wear, otherwise he's always evergreen.
I am in the process of doing all that. I started going to the gym more regularly, get more slim. I put on glasses, so these are some of the cosmetic changes that you will see.
कैसा लग रहा है तरुण?
अब कम डर लग रहा है।
अब कम डर लग रहा है। तो तरुण, बहुत होशियारी से खेलिएगा। आपके पास कोई भी लाइफलाइन अब नहीं बची। चारों लाइफलाइन आपने इस्तेमाल कर ली हैं। 12,50,000 रुपए आप जीत चुके हैं। किसी भी समय
Well, let's listen to what the others have to say.
अगला प्रश्न देगा आपको 25 लाख रुपए।
I'd like to say is what Amitabh Bachchan be able to bring is his very close people in the show and all that, and even the way the show is being executed should be very in a different way.
जैसे ही सोचूंगा आपको बताऊंगा मैडम, बाद में, अभी नहीं। जैसे ही सोचूंगा आपको बताऊंगा मैडम, बाद में, अभी नहीं।
Whether it's the money or the format or the partner, some put it across very simply.
Amitabh Bachchan is coming back, that means KBC is hit again. That's it, पैसा वसूल।
जिसने सीखा इनसे लाइफ में कभी भी ना झुकना, हॉट सीट पे मिलेगा भैया उम्मीद से दुगना।
Well, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan will be in for a lot of expectation and a lot of innovations this time as he sits on the hot seat. And he puts his emotions across on a social networking site. On the road to promo shoot for KBC, nostalgic by the gallons. Back after 10 years. That's a lot of years, especially at 68. Now it's time to compete with and better yourself, Mr. Bachchan. Certainly a lot's coming your way. Payal Mehta, Focus TV, Mumbai.